Friends, welcome to DA Moil Public School, Sita Saungi. Today we are going to revise the most important part of writing section, that is a notice writing. So students, listen carefully and try to enjoy today's class. Dear students, notice is a short piece of communication written in a formal style to convey important information to a group of people or in an organization. Notice we see in our school notice board and in newspaper also. Suppose if you want to give a brief idea about anything, that you have to write down a notice. Okay students, so let's see what are the things that you have to keep in your mind while writing a notice. A notice is a short piece of communication written in a formal style to convey important information to a group of people or an organization. Keep in mind, an effective notice will usually include the following: name of the organization, institute or office, the word notice, date of issuing the notice. It should only have relevant information. First of all, you have to write down the heading. For example, if you are writing a notice in our school, then you have to write down DAV Moil Public School. That is the most important thing. First of all, heading means school name and wherever the organization is there. Then correctly on the second line, notice. Okay, and for which topic you are writing a notice, that is the third line that you have to mention. Name of the organization, notice, date, subject or heading of the notice, body content of the notice, name of the writer, designation of the writer, example of notice. So students, keep in your mind all the instructions and these key points for writing a correct notice. You are Arti Gupta, the monitor of your class. Now see, this is the example. Your school is organizing a trip to Mussoorie. Write a notice in about 50 words for your class notice board inviting your classmates to join the picnic. Okay students? So New Era Public School, this is the name of a school. Already you can write, suppose if there is no mention of the school name, you can write down any school name. New Era Public School, notice, 20 November 2020, school trip to Mussoorie. A school trip has been arranged for all sections of class 6th. The students interested to join the trip are advised to meet Mrs. Preeti Jain, librarian, in the library during recess. The trip is scheduled from 12th December 2020 to 18th December 2020 to Mussoorie. The total cost borne by each student will be 2,500 rupees only, which is inclusive of train fare, food and beverages, hotel stay and transport expenses. All entries should reach by 30 November 2021 along with the fee. All interested students need to submit signed approvals of no objection from their parents or guardians. Other details and the trip itinerary will be issued by the teacher in charge. Arti Gupta, monitor, class 6A. So students, in this same way you can write down the notice. So try to avoid informal language when you write a notice. You have to write a very formal and up to the point, because it has word limitations. So you should not cross the word limit. And try to keep in your mind all the keys which I have already discussed with you, and follow the same. First of all, keep in your mind name of the school, second one notice, and third one means on which topic you are going to write a notice, and all these three should be in a capital letter. Okay students, so write the same notice 3 times in your notebook. I hope you have got all the points which I discussed with you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.